A Fox and a Kit by Leah Roberts. Illustrated by Charles Santori. It is 4. This fox naps on the rocks. Her kit naps on the rocks too. The kit sits up. His mom sits up. It is 5. This man is fixing dinner. The kit and his mom will eat. The kit is licking his lips. His mom is licking her lips. The kit is playing. His mom is playing. The kit nips and tags his mom. The kit is on the rocks. His mom will get him. She picks him up and takes him back. The kit spots his mom. His mom spots him. We like to watch this kit and his mom. We can watch lots of animals. The Fox and the Grapes, adapted from Aesop. One day a fox wanted grapes, but he could not reach them. The fox tried again and again. At last the fox gave up. "I did not want those sour grapes anyway," he said. Moral: it is easy to dislike what you cannot get.